Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram freeze unknown network error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first just go to settings and then go to apps. Now go to apps again and then go to freeze. Force stop it, go to storage, clear cache, go back, and now just try again, and if that doesn't fix it, then go to data usage, make sure to give it all those accesses, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, but if that also doesn't fix it, now just reinstall this application, uninstall it and install it again. And I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.